This 2019 Jayco Redhawk SE 27N is a Class C RV. It is located in Newtown, Connecticut, 06470 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Newtown. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2019 Jayco Redhawk SE 27N is built on a Chevy 4500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.